professional, innovative. Orbita. With more than 10 years of professional experience in hotel projects, Orbita is one of the most reputable card-operated lock and hotel locking system manufacturer for hospitality industry, offering the best quality products with professional and effective service to our customers. More than 10,000 hotels, resorts, and cruise ships covering 100 countries in the world are using Orbita hotel card locks, safes, mini bars, and other guest room accessories. 46,000 square meters garden factory, producing more than 100 models with capacity of 100,000 units per month, provides both OEM and ODM services. Professional, dedicated R&D team. Professional only in hotel card lock, safety box, mini bar, intelligent switch, and so on. Integrated with Fidelio Opera PMS, ISO 9001-2008, NC BHMA A156.13-2012, CE, FCC, Rose, Somcap, and SASO certified. We provide both OEM and ODM service. Our clients are Carson Hotel Group, Wyndham Hotel Group, Accor Hotel Group, Hilton Hotel Group, Starwood Hotel Group, Intercontinental Hotel Group, Kempinski Hotel Group, Best Western Hotel, etc. Professional, innovative. Orbita.